This is Rubbernecker's set number 712, Field of Poppy. It consists of 2 stamps, a solid portion for the color, and an outline portion. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the solid portion and we're going to lay it down over the packaging, just like this. Match it up to cover the color portion. Lay our block on top of it with the edge parallel with the paper. And we'll take the outline portion and we'll do the same thing. We'll lay it down like this, cover up the black portion of the outline, lay our block down so it's parallel with the packaging. Particularly useful on this one because the stems curve, and when you go to stamp it, you'll want to stamp it straight with the stems, but remember to keep the parallel edge of the block equal with the edge of the paper when you stamp. The alignment will come out just fine. Alright, we're going to take the solid portion. We're going to ink this one up today with excuse me, Rubbernecker's Distressed Spun Sugar, so that everything's got ink all over it. Now we're going to use a Yasutuma water brush. We're going to add some water to the stamp. Now I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to pick up some of the Ken Oliver Crafts Color Burst. We're going to pick up some of the crimson, a little bit of orange, and some yellow on this one. So start with the crimson. I'm going to put that right into the water area, and it'll start to diffuse. Now I'm going to add a little orange to it, just randomly here and there. Now the same thing with the yellow. We're going to take our Ranger Mini Mister and give it a few spritz of water to help those colors bleed together. We stamp them down on our piece of watercolor paper. We stamp it down, we keep our edge parallel with the edge of the paper. We're going to dry this so that we can emboss our next layer. Now, using some Ranger Distressed ink, embossing ink, we're going to ink up our outline portion. You can use Versamark on this, it's just the same. Lay it down over the image, parallel with the packaging. Should work out just fine. We're going to add to this some Mirror Gold embossing powder by Stampomania. They can be reached at stampomania.com. It's really great embossing powder. We're going to take our Rubbernecker hand-drawn frame set stamp, and we're going to stamp that with a little Ranger Distressed black soot ink. Put that right over the frame. Then we have a little phrase with our phrase set that also has a little outline border on it. Put it like that. Here's a nice finish to the card. That's Rubbernecker set 712, Field of Poppies.